Okay, let's take a look at an example problem here. So I need to find the measure of CDE, the measure of BAH, and the measure of FGH. Those are all of the angles of the triangle. So I want to find all of these angles. So I know that measure of angle CHE is 10 degrees. I know that the measure of angle HEF is 17. I know that FBC, the major arc FBC, is 230 degrees, and I know that the major arc BFE is 190 degrees. So using that information, let's see what we can find out. So the first thing that I know is that CE is 20 degrees. CHE is an inscribed angle. It's 10 degrees. So I know that 10 times 2 is 20 degrees. This is what we learned about last week when we learned about central and inscribed angles. Let's take a look at this 34 here. I know that HEF is an inscribed angle. It's 17 degrees. 17 times 2 equals 34 degrees. Now let's take a look at FBC, which is 230 degrees. I know that FE must be 110. So I have 34 from F to H, and FBC, which is 230. So that 34 is within that 230. I can also add on that 20, which makes it 250. So from F all the way around to E is 250. I know a circle is 360 degrees. 360 minus 110, minus 250 is 110. Now I know that BFE is 190 degrees. So this allows me to find the length of BH. So I can add 110 plus 34 to get 144. I can subtract that from 190 to get 46 degrees. Now, since I know all of the other arcs, I know 20, 110, 34, and 46, I can add those all together and subtract them from 360 to get BC as 150. So now let's take a look at our angle CDE right here. I can figure out that CDE is 30 degrees because I am going to take this arc FB and then I'm going to subtract EC from that. So 34 plus 46 is 80. 80 minus 20 is 60. And 60 divided by 2 is 30 degrees. Now I also know that BAH is 59 degrees because of that same idea. I'm going to use this large arc here, HFC, and this small arc BH. So this arc here is 34 plus 110 plus plus 20, which is 164. 164 minus 46, and then divided by 2 is 59. From there, I can easily find the last angle because this is a triangle. They all add up to 180 degrees, and I can find that FGH is 90 degrees.